some straggly purple hairs up in here. It's all right. It's okay. Don't worry about it. What's up? What's good? What's cracking? It's your girl, Miss K Marie. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. For those that are returning, welcome back. Sit back, relax, take a load off, because this video is all about applying strip lash extensions. I've been asked to do this by several people. So I learned how to do it maybe about, wait, we're not going to age me. Let's just say a few years ago. I learned how to do it. From there, I was hooked. It gave me a dramatic look, whether I had on, a full face of makeup, or if I was just going out on like a running around type of thing and I didn't want to really, do a whole lot. Lashes kind of give you just a little bit of flair, just a little something, a touch of something. So I have been asked, how do I do it? How do I put on my lashes? And I'm going to show you. So here we go. So as you can see, I have all of my makeup on, my shadow, my contour, foundation, everything. So this next step is putting on my eyeliner. So I line the top of my eye, and I do that so that it kind of hides my lash band on my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, my eyeliner how I basically do it every day. So I have my top liner on. Next, we're going to go into lining the bottom lash. I like to go ahead and just do everything all at once so that I'm not kind of like backtracking. So I'm gonna do my waterline with my NYX black eyeliner. That's done. And next I'm gonna go in with my mascara. So I'm using the Mega Protein Wet n Wild um, mascara. And I use the mascara before I put on my false lashes so that it blends together with my regular lashes and my false lashes. So always apply just a little. Don't cake it up too much. Do just a little of the mascara just so that it blends with your false lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line. I'm just kind of finishing out the look so that you get like the full spectrum of what I do when I'm at the final steps of my makeup. So oh, that's done. Now on to my lashes. I use a lash applicator. Everyone doesn't, but I use a lash applicator because I just find it easier. I used to just do it with my fingers, but I don't know. Lash applicator is better for me. So you take the lash, you can see it, you put it on the applicator. I take my lash glue. I add a little bit, and I use black. A lot of people use clear or they use white, but I use black because my eyeliner is black. So it's just another way, like I said, of everything kind of blending in. You have to dry it. Make sure that it's tacky. Don't put it on wet because it'll slip around all over and it will wind up getting the lash glue all over your eyes versus getting it a little tacky, almost dry, and then sticking it on. Then it's gonna stick right in place exactly where you put it. So I blow on it just a little, and it doesn't take long for it to dry and to get tacky. You'll see it. It'll be kind of shiny, but so when I apply, oh, let me see. I'm gonna use my mirror. I use a mirror. I just have my makeup mirror here. You use a mirror and you look down and then you apply the lash on. So I'm gonna show you, I'm going to come down a little and I'm going to look down and I'm going to apply my lash right above my lash line. So down, place it right above my lash line and just kind of sit it there. Don't think that that's your original placement. You're just sitting it there just to kind of get a grasp of which way you want to go. So I started the tail end and I make sure that it lines up at the end. Press it there, press it in the middle, and then make sure the ends are there. Excuse me, somebody's alarm is going off on their car outside my house. So excuse the noise. But I just go down the line and just kind of make sure that the lash is actually on there. Make sure it's stuck. It's not going to be lifting anywhere. And see, we have one lash on. We're gonna go to the second lash and we're gonna follow the same steps. So we're gonna put the lash applicator onto the lashes, place it on there. And so like the curved piece of the lash applicator is on the curved part of your lashes. So if you can see that, that is how you put it on the lash applicator. Then you turn it on the back side. You place your lash glue right on the lash band. And I like a thicker lash band because it, one, shows me exactly where to place my glue. And to me, it just looks better. So we have glue on there. I'm gonna blow a little bit. Make sure it's tacky. And we're not doing a full-fledged blow like we blowing out birthday candles or anything like that. It's just, you know, real soft, you know, blowing the lash glue. So now, like I said, once again, we're going to look into our mirror, look down, then apply the lashes on. And you kind of have to make sure the end of your lash is close to the end of your original lash line. So you kind of line them up when you put them on there. So when you stick it in the middle, you're going to make sure that you don't have to wiggle and move the false lash around, you know, so with your placement. When you place it on there, you're just kind of trying to make sure that it's stuck in place in the back, in the middle, and in the front. You're not kind of trying to move it, you know, trying to move it around, you know, with that placement. You'll already have that placement when you put it on. So that's why you look down, place the lash, and then you're gonna secure it in the front and in the back. So place the lash close to my lash band. Ooh. Here, we're going to make sure that it's on the ends here, and then it's stuck in the front here. So there we go. In the front, let's take the lashes in the middle, just press, 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 and on the end, press and make sure. And now with the lash applicator, you can kind of go from the top of the lash, the false lashes, to your lashes and squeeze them together. And then that makes sure they blend as well. So you're gonna blend them. I only really blend mine on the end, nowhere else, because it really doesn't need it. So you don't want to get close to your lash line with the glue. You want to get just above your lash line. You don't want to get on your lash line, because when you go to remove them, and I personally remove mine every evening before I go to bed, I remove my lashes. But if you get close to the lash line, that's when you begin to remove your lashes, when you remove the false lashes, because the glue is stuck to your lashes because you've put it too close to the lash line. So another thing that helps with it looking more seamless is applying your eyeliner. So when you apply your eyeliner, and I use black because, you know, my lashes are black as well as my glue is black. So when I apply my eyeliner on the top, it all blends in. I don't place it, you know, right on my lash line, but right above. So any space in between is black and it all looks seamless. So you can't tell where my lashes are versus where my false lashes are. So this is how I personally apply my false lashes. Some people, once they put their false lashes on, they also apply a little mascara to blend the false lashes with their lashes. I don't really do that very much because I don't like to cake up mascara onto my false lashes. So I don't do that. If you would like to do that and you feel like it makes your lashes blend better with your false lashes, by all means, do it your way. What makes you comfortable, what makes you feel like everything is going to blend together and no one is going to clock those false lashes. By all means, do that. But like I said, just a little quick, simple tutorial on how I personally apply my false lashes. I've been asked to do this several times, so here you go. So, you know, just kind of fix my hair just a little. And this would be my final look. I hope that you all stay tuned to the end. Like I said, I welcome all the new people who are watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to my loyal subscribers that watch my videos every time they come out. I really, really do appreciate you. You motivate me to continue to make videos. I'm just getting started, so I know all of this is, you know, kind of up and down, you know, really trial and error. So here I am. I'm here for it. So thank you so much for watching. If you could please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you stay tuned to what I will be doing on this channel. 2020, let me tell you, I got some stuff up my sleeve, in my bag, in my backpack, in my pocket, wherever I can hide it. I got it and I'm gonna bring it to you. So thank you so much for watching, and be blessed and have a wonderful and blessed day. I'll be talking to you. See you later. Toodles.